Welcome back. Indefinite integration, very short answer questions. Okay. So now the question is integral 1 plus cos square x by 1 minus cos 2x dx. This is the question here. So by the trigonometric identity formulas, we can write or by the trigonometric formulas, we can write 1 minus cos 2x formula is 2 sin square x. 1 minus cos 2x formula is 2 sin square x. Here I am replacing 1 plus cos square x by 2 sin square x dx. Separate that function here, right? 1 by 2 integral 1 by sin square can be written as cosecant square x dx. Next, plus 1 by 2 integral cos square by sin square function, it goes to cot square x dx. So here by the trigonometrical identity, we have cosecant square x minus cot square x is equals to 1. So cot square x replaced with cosecant square x minus 1. So here I am replacing that only. This is equals to 1 by 2 integration of cosecant square here. Again we have that formula. Integration of cosecant square x dx is equals to minus cot x. So applying that formula here, minus cot x plus 1 by 2 into cot square identity formula I am replacing cosecant square x dx minus integral 1 dx. So is equal to minus cot x by 2. Again integration of cosecant square can be written as minus cot. So again minus cot x by 2 minus 1 dx is x. So x by 2 plus c. So this is equal to minus cot x by 2 minus cot x by 2 is minus cot x minus x by 2 plus c. This is the answer for this question. Okay. Now, so here the next question is integration of log x into dx. So here for this we need little bit concept. Here I need to apply that formula, that is what? Integration of f of x into g of x dx. The formula is f of x integration of g of x dx minus integral f dash of x into integration of g of x dx. So here I need to apply the formula ILATE, I-L-A-T-E, ILATE. So here the meaning of ILATE is, I am writing I is equal to inverse function. I is equal to inverse. And second one L is equal to logarithmic function. L is equal to logarithmic, right? And next one is A. So here A is equal to algebraic function. A is equal to algebraic function, right? And next one T. Next one is what? T. T is equal to trigonometric function. T is equal to what? Trigonometric function. And next one is what? E. So here E is equal to exponential function. E is equal to what? Exponential function. So this is the order of preference. So here our question is what, in the sense integral log x dx. So this one I am taking it as 1 into log x dx. So here 1 can be written as algebraic function. 1 can be written as algebraic function. A logarithmic function is there. So here I am taking order of preference f of x is equal to log x and g of x is equal to 1. So here I am doing differentiation for this. F dash of x, derivation of log x formula is 1 by x, and second function we are taking integration of g of x dx, that is nothing but x. So here what is our formula? Our formula is integration of f of x into g of x dx is equal to f of x into integration of g of x dx minus integral f dash of x into integration of g of x dx, right, whole dx. So here we are applying that values whatever here we have. So 1 into log x I am writing direct. 1 into log x is log x only, is equal to f of x. F of x is nothing but log x, right, into integration of g of x, that value here we have x, minus integral f dash x. F dash x value here we have 1 by x, and integration of g of x here we have x dx. Now here we can do cancellation. 1 by x and x will get cancelled out. Alright. So this is equal to leftover value. I am writing x into log x. Here this x is there. I am writing before the function. X into log x minus integral x will get cancelled now. 1 dx. So here 1 dx value is there in x. So here our answer is x into log x minus x plus c. Here we need to remember this formula, right? Integration of log x dx value is equal to what? X log x minus x plus c. This one we need to remember as the formula in BITS, mains and MSET. We need to apply direct. Okay, this one we need to remember it as the formula as the question also. Okay, right. Now the next question is what? Here the question is, right, here the question is integration of here the question is what? Integration of x into tan inverse x dx. This is the question. So here again same formula I need to apply. F of x I need to take inverse function, inverse logarithmic, algebraic, trigonometric, exponential. So f of x I am taking it as tan inverse x, and obviously second function goes to g of x, that is x. So here inverse function differentiation will exist. F dash of x is equal to d by dx of tan inverse x, formula is 1 by 1 plus x square, and at the same time integration of g of x dx. Here integration of x is nothing but x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 formula. N value is there in 1, so that can be written as 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2. So here what is our formula? Our formula is integration of f of x into g of x dx is equals to f of x into integration of g of x dx minus integration of f dash of x into integration of g of x dx whole dx. This is the formula. Okay. So here I am replacing x into tan inverse x dx. This is our given question, right? is equal to f of x. F of x value is replaced with tan inverse x into g of x. Integration of g of x already we calculated, that is what, x square by 2 minus integral f dash x. F dash x, that is also we calculated, 1 by 1 plus x square into integration of g of x, that is nothing but x square by 2 into dx. So this is equal to, I am writing in otherwise, x square by 2 into tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 integral x square by 1 plus x square dx. Here depends upon the denominator, we are adding and subtracting 1. So here 1 plus added and 1 minus 1 is subtracted. So here by that condition we can take this as x square by 2 into tan inverse x, right, minus 1 by 2 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square, I am separating the function, minus 1 by 1 plus x square dx. So here this is equal to x square by 2 into tan inverse x minus 1 by 2. Here I can cancel 1 by 1, 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square cancel, 1 dx, minus over minus, that will become plus 1 by 2 integral 1 by 1 plus x square dx. So here this is equal to x square by 2 into tan inverse x minus 1 dx value is there, x by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 1 plus x square formula is tan inverse x plus c. This is the answer for this. So here I am writing the formulas. Integration of dx by 1 plus x square formula is what? Tan inverse x. And integration of 1 dx formula is what? X plus c. For each and everything c is there, but here in the final answer I wrote it only 1c. Okay, right, this is the answer for this question. Right, here next question. Here the question is, right, here the question is what, in the sense, integration of sine inverse x dx. Integration of sine inverse x dx. This is our question. So here for this question also I am taking 1 into sine inverse x dx. According to that formula, inverse function goes to f of x. So here I am taking f of x is equal to sine inverse x, and g of x can be taken as 1. So here f dash of x is equal to derivation of sine inverse is 1 by root over 1 minus x square, right. Next, integration of g of x dx is equal to x. Integration of 1 dx is x plus c. Just now we have taken that formula also. Now I am taking by parts formula. This can be called it as by parts formula or UV formula in integration, right. So here integration of f of x into g of x dx is equal to f of x integration of g of x dx minus integration of f dash of x integration of g of x dx dx. So here I am replacing everything. Integral sine inverse x dx is equal to f of x. F of x is nothing but sine inverse x into integration of g of x dx. That value already I have, which is x, minus integral derivation of sine inverse x here 1 by root over 1 minus x square into integration of g of x, already here I calculated, that is x dx. So this is equal to x into sin inverse x minus integral x by root over 1 minus x square dx. So here I need to use condition, put to t is equal to 1 minus x square. Put to t is equal to 1 minus x square. dt is equal to 0 minus 2x dx. So here minus 1 by 2 dt is equal to x dx. So here I can replace those condition, is equal to x into sin inverse x minus 1 by 2, right? Here minus is there, that minus, this minus will become plus integral dt by 1 minus x square, I have taken it as t, no? So 1 by root t, right? So here we have that formula in integration. Integration of dx by root x, formula is 2 root x plus c. Integration of dx by root x is what? 2 root x plus c. So here by applying this formula, here I am getting x into sin inverse x plus 1 by 2 into 2 into root t plus c. Here I can cancel 2, is equal to x into sin inverse x plus root t. T value is how much? 1 minus x square. So here the value of this question is what? This one. So here what is question? Integration of sin inverse x dx is equals to x sin inverse x plus root over 1 minus x square plus c. This also we need to remember. Okay. Right. Coming here, next question. The question is here, integral dx by root over x square plus 2x plus 10. This is the question. So here first I am considering denominator part, x square plus 2x plus 10. This is equal to x square plus 2 into 1 into x plus 1 plus 9. I am splitting like this. So these three terms can be written as a plus b whole square function. So x plus 1 whole square plus this 9 can be written as 3 square, right? So here x square plus 2x plus 10 can be written as x plus 1 whole square plus 3 square. Here I am replacing dx by root over x plus 1 whole square plus 3 square. So here we have the formula. Here we have the formula. Integration of dx by root over x square plus a square is equal to sin h inverse x by a plus c. So here if I apply this one, sin h inverse, x value is there, x plus 1 by a value is there in 3. Sin h inverse of x plus 1 by 3 is the answer for this question. Right. So next question is integral sin 2x by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x dx. This is the question. So here I am considering the denominator part. Let t is equal to a square cos square x plus b square sin square x, or t x. dt is equal to a square is as it is, cos square can be written as minus 2 sin x cos x. Derivation of cos square x is minus 2 sin x cos x, plus b square is as it is, sin square x derivation is 2 sin x cos x. For entire that function I am writing it as dx. So this is equal to 2 sin x cos x can be written as sin 2x. So minus a square sin 2x plus again b square into 2 sin x cos x can be written as sin 2x dx. So entirely I can take common sin 2x. This can be written as b square minus a square into dx. This is what here dt. So here dt by b square minus a square is equal to sin 2x dx. This one we need to replace with dt by b square minus a square into 1 by t. So here integration 1 by, before integral I am writing constant, 1 by b square minus a square into integral dt by t. So here in general we have the formula integration of dt dx by x is equal to log mod x plus c. So here dt by t is there, dt by t, this is equal to 1 by b square minus a square into log mod t plus c. So here t value is a square cos square x plus b square sin square x. So here answer is 1 by b square minus a square into log mod t value is nothing but a square cos square x plus b square sin square x plus c. This is the answer. Right. Next question is integral e power x into 1 minus sin x by 1 minus cos x dx. This is the question. So here in trigonometry we have formula of sin x in submultiple can be written as 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2, and 1 minus cos x can be written as 2 sin square x by 2. So replace here integral e power x into 1 minus 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 by 2 sin square x by 2 dx. So this is equals to integral e power x into separating 1 by 2 sin square x by 2 minus 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 by 2 sin square x by 2 dx. Now here we can cancel 2 we can cancel, and 1 sin x by 2 here 1 square will get cancelled out. So leftover condition goes to integral e power x into 1 by 2 into 1 by sin square can be written as cosecant square x by 2 minus cos by sin can be written as cot x by 2 dx. In our previous class we have the formula integral e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx. is equal to formula is e power x into f of x plus c. So here if you take that function cot x by 2 is f of x, or if you take that function minus cot x by 2 as f of x, 1 by 2 into cosecant square x by 2 will goes to f dash of x. So here our answer will goes to e power x into minus cot x by 2 plus c. This is the answer for this question, right? Next, here the next question is integral cos x dx by cos x dx by sin square x plus 4 sin x plus 5. This is the question. So here first I am taking denominator part sin square x plus 4 sin x plus 5. So this is equal to, I am splitting like this, sin square x plus 2 into sin x plus 4 plus 1. So here this is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square formula is there. This can be written as sin x plus 2 whole square plus 1. So replace in that question. The question will become like this: integration cos x dx by sin x plus 2 whole square plus 1. So here what I am interested to take in the sense, t is equal to sin x plus 2. Differentiate with respect to x, we are getting dt is equal to derivation of sin x goes to cos x into dx. So here numerator function replaced with dt. So integral dt by denominator part t square plus 1. So our previous formula, integration of dx by x square plus 1 is tan inverse x plus c. So here if you apply that formula, this can be written as tan inverse t plus c. T value is how much? T value is sin x plus 2. So this is equals to tan inverse of sin x plus 2 plus c is the answer for this question. Okay. Right. Next question. Here the next question is integral dx by x plus 5 into root x plus 4. This is the question. So here I am taking t square is equal to x plus 4, differentiate with respect to x, 2t dt is equal to dx, and x plus 5 can be written as x plus 4 plus 1, that is equal to t square plus 1. Replace in that question integral 2t into dt, right? Dx value replace with 2t into dt, and here I can take t is equal to root over x plus 4 by here t square plus 1 into t. Here I can cancel t. Here I can cancel this t and this t. Leftover value is 2 integral dt by 1 plus t square. Previous formula, integral dx by 1 plus x square is equal to tan inverse x plus c. Replace here, we get 2 times of tan inverse of t plus c is equal to 2 times of tan inverse of t. T value is how much? Root over x plus 4 plus c. This is the answer for this question. Okay. Next. Here the next question is integral root over 16 minus 25 x square dx. Integral root over 16 minus 25 x square dx. This is our question. Okay. So here what I am doing in the question, first I am taking 25 common. So 25 if you take common, 16 can be written as 4 square, right? So 25 is nothing but 5 square. So 4 by 5 whole square minus x square dx. So again I can take 25 out. Root 25 goes to 5 integral root over 4 by 5 whole square minus x square. So here we have the formula integration of root over a square minus x square dx is equal to formula is x by 2 into root over a square minus x square, a square minus x square. Next plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a plus c. This is the formula. So here a value is 4 by 5, x value is x only. Now replace in that formula question. So here x by 2. X by 2 in the sense this can be written as it is x by 2 into root over a square minus x square. A square value is there in 4 by 5 whole square minus x square, right? Plus a square by 2. A square value is there in 4 by 5 whole square. That can be written as 16 by 25 by 2. Next to sin inverse x by a. X value x only by a. A value is there in 4 by 5 plus c. So this is equal to 5 times of x by 2 into root over 4 by 5 whole square minus x square minus here plus 2 1s are 2 8s are cancel out. So 8 by 25 into sin inverse of 5x by 4 plus c. This is the answer for this question, right? Now here the question is integration of 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x dx. This is the question. So here we can write tan x as sin by cos is equal to integral 1 minus tan I am writing it as sin x by cos x, again by 1 plus sin x by cos x dx is equal to, taking LCM, cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x dx. Here we have one formula, integration of f dash of x by f of x dx is equal to, formula is log mod f of x plus c. This is the formula. So here if you take f of x as there in denominator, we get numerator, derivation is numerator. So here our answer is log mod denominator. What is our denominator? Sin x plus cos x plus c. This is the answer. Okay, or you can try f of x you are taking now, that is what, sin x plus cos x, we are taking it as f of x, and f dash of x goes to derivation of sin is cos and derivation of cos is minus sin. This only here we got. Okay, so end of the answer. Thank you everyone. Right, we will go next topic in short answer questions of indefinite integration or long answer questions of indefinite integration. Okay, thank you.